In the summer of 1952, for 2 consecutive weekends, the skies above the United States Capitol, Washington, D.C., became a stage for an unprecedented mystery. Unidentified objects, moving with impossible speed and agility, were simultaneously tracked on radar at National Airport and Andrews Air Force Base, while being visually confirmed by experienced pilots. This wasn't a fleeting glimpse. It was a sustained, undeniable presence that forced the Pentagon to hold a press conference, acknowledging the inexplicable. The year is 1952. The Cold War casts a long shadow, and the world is gripped by both technological marvels and deep anxieties. The term flying saucer had entered the public lexicon, fueled by scattered reports and a burgeoning interest in the unknown. Against this backdrop of global tension and nascent space-age dreams, the events in Washington, D.C. would ignite a firestorm of speculation and fear, forever etching themselves into the annals of unexplained phenomena. On the night of July 19, 1952, air traffic controllers at Washington National Airport observed 7 blips on their radar screens, moving at speeds far exceeding any known aircraft. These objects performed sharp turns and sudden accelerations that defied conventional physics. Simultaneously, pilots in the air reported seeing bright, fast-moving lights. The sightings continued into the early hours of July 20th. A week later, on July 26th, the phenomena returned with even greater intensity. Multiple radar units, including those at Andrews AF, tracked numerous objects. Air Force jets were scrambled, their pilots reporting visual contact with bright lights that would vanish or accelerate away at incredible speeds. The sheer volume and corroboration of these incidents, involving both military and civilian personnel, made them impossible to ignore. What is proven? Declassified Project Blue Book files, the official U.S. Air Force study of UFOs, contain detailed reports from the radar operators and pilots involved. The Civil Aeronautics Administration, now the FAA, also recorded these radar logs. These documents confirm the multiple radar contacts and visual sightings. The official explanation, however, remains shrouded in controversy. The Air Force attributed the events to a temperature inversion, a meteorological condition that can bend radar signals and create mirages. Yet, physicists and aviation experts have long debated this explanation. The calculated speeds of the objects, their abrupt maneuvers, and the simultaneous visual confirmations by pilots make the temperature inversion theory difficult to reconcile with the evidence. How could atmospheric conditions mimic intelligent high-speed flight? This question remains unanswered, fueling the mystery. The 1952 Washington, D.C. radar visual outbreak stands as one of the most significant and well-documented UFO incidents in history. It forced the highest levels of government to address the issue publicly and continues to be a touchstone for discussions about unexplained aerial phenomena. It reminds us that even with advanced technology and rigorous investigation, some mysteries persist, challenging our understanding of the world and the skies above. The debate over what truly happened that summer in Washington, D.C. underscores a fundamental human quest to understand the unknown and to discern fact from speculation in the face of the truth.